Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset a Windows 10 or Windows 11 from the login screen. To do this, you just need to hold the shift key in your keyboard and select the power option over here and select restart. Select restart anyway. While holding the shift, you just need to select the restart option. And I'm still holding guys. Until this page comes up, you just need to hold the shift key and then select the troubleshoot option and select the reset this PC option and select the remove everything option. Select reinstall Windows from this device. Select clean the drive fully and now select the reset option. The PC will start the resetting process and it will take about 1 hour to finish resetting. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.